Hi everyone, just a little video to do a kind of little snippet of what my new old course that I try and do every year, release 2022 and stay centered for 2023, and probably that title kind of gives away the energies for next year a little bit. We are going to have to really work on staying in our core, staying centered, so that's what the whole course is. Lots of tools to support you, a workbook with ideas for helping you let go of the year and really visioning your future self. Where do you want to be next year? What do you want to be doing? So it's just full of tools and support and suggestions for you. There are some meditations, so working on clearing your energy centers, clearing stuff from past lives so that we can really step fully onto this 5D timeline that we're on. I've got videos that explain all of that stuff in there. There's 3 videos, so it's jam-packed full. So if you really want to dive deep into just letting go of not only last year but the years before, past life stuff, and feel really fully in your what I call your Magdalene body, your gold print body, your full soul self, moving forward into the future. The next few years, I think these tools are going to really be supporting us as we keep moving through and shifting and rebuilding and just creating the amazing future, amazing bright future. And if you're in a space where things feel difficult, there are so many tools that can support you. You know, just really know that you're held and know that there are healing tools, and your angels and guides are just waiting to support you. So just ask for help and I will give you some tips on doing that. There's affirmations, there's prayers, there's visualizations, there's so many things that we can be doing. So join me and I look forward to sharing this journey with you.